Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. Stoicism isn't something you just read about. It's not a theory for philosophers in robes. It's a practice, a lifestyle, a way of moving through the world with clarity, purpose, and calm. But what does it actually look like to live like a Stoic? Not in ancient Rome, but in the 21st century. In this video, Stoic Wisdom Today and you will walk through a day in the life of a modern Stoic. From morning to night, you'll see how to apply Stoicism to real-life moments. Stress, distraction, failure, success, and everything in between. Let's begin the journey. Morning, starting with intention. Quality. The Stoic day begins before the world wakes up. Not in noise, not in emails, but in silence. Marcus Aurelius wrote in Meditations, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." Morning practice number 1, reflection. Sit in quiet. Ask, what challenges might I face today? Who might test my patience? Where can I act with courage and kindness? This prepares your mind like armor. You're not hoping for ease, you're preparing for difficulty. Morning practice 2, set your focus. Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Define your aim. Is today a day for honesty, creativity, patience? Decide, then commit. Morning practice number 3, negative visualization. Briefly imagine losing something you take for granted. Your sight, a loved one, your freedom. This isn't morbid, it's motivational. It sharpens gratitude and softens entitlement. And here's a subtle but powerful bonus practice. Make your bed, not out of routine, but with intention. It's a symbol, a reminder that how you do one thing is how you do everything. Even the simplest act done with mindfulness can become a Stoic exercise. As Clenthis once taught, lead me, Zeus, and you, O destiny, reminding us that even mundane moments are part of the greater path we walk. Midday, facing the world stoically. The world doesn't care about your morning reflection. It will test you. That's the point. At work, maybe someone criticizes you. In traffic, someone cuts you off. Your project hits a wall. You get ignored, rejected, frustrated. A Stoic response? Not denial, but discipline. Ask, is this within my control? If not, let it go. What virtue does this moment call for? Patience, assertiveness, humor. You're no longer just reacting, you're choosing your response. As Seneca wrote, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Don't create a second layer of pain with stories, blame, or rumination. See what is, accept it, respond wisely. Practice, my beloved. Practice, pause before response. You receive bad news. Don't speak right away. Breathe, think, ask, what would a wise person do? Stoicism in action isn't loud, it's grounded. It's the leader who stays calm under pressure, the parent who listens instead of yelling, the artist who keeps creating even when no one's watching. And sometimes Stoicism means stepping back, taking a short walk, saying no to something you don't believe in. Not because you're cold, but because you're clear. A Stoic doesn't need to win every argument. They know which battles matter. And when the noise grows louder, they find peace in stillness, not reaction. Evening, review, release, reset. The Stoic day ends how it began, in reflection. Seneca practiced this every night. He would ask, what did I do well today? Where did I fall short? How can I improve tomorrow? This isn't guilt-tripping, it's gentle accountability. No one's grading you, you're sharpening yourself. Evening practice, the day in review. Take only 5 to 10 minutes. Write or think through. Where did I act with virtue? Where did I let emotion override reason? What did I learn? This trains the mind like exercise trains the body. Over time, you become more aware, more centered, and more in control of your thoughts. You might even add one more question. Did I act in alignment with who I want to be? Not with perfection, but with honesty. The more you review your day, the more your days begin to transform. Evening practice. Let go of the day. You made mistakes. You did your best. Now let it go. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, don't let your reflection on the whole sweep of life crush you. Don't fill your mind with all the bad things that might still happen. Stay focused on the present moment. Living Stoicism is a practice, not perfection. To live like a Stoic doesn't mean you never feel sadness, anger, fear, or doubt. It means you don't let those feelings define your choices. You build the discipline to act with reason, the wisdom to choose virtue over impulse, the strength to accept what is and shape what you can. Every moment becomes a choice, not a default reaction, but a deliberate expression of who you want to be. That is what it means to live like a Stoic. Conclusion. Be the calm in the storm. In a world rushing faster every day, the Stoic walks slowly. In a world full of outrage, the Stoic chooses reason. In a world obsessed with outcomes, the Stoic focuses on actions. Living stoically isn't about changing your life overnight. It's about showing up day after day with clarity and courage. So tomorrow, try it. Start your day with reflection. Respond to life with intention. End your day with honest review. And most importantly, practice. Fail. Learn. Repeat. You will gradually become a great Stoic person. Thank you for joining Stoic Wisdom today. If this guide helped you imagine a wiser way to live, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone seeking calm in chaos. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay Stoic.